how to change out your display here for the new display that we have. You're going to need a 17mm wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. And this is your new control panel. So we're going to take out these two screws back here. After you take out those, then you take off the handle. After you've taken out the handle, you can pull back your panel. Now with your panel off, you'll want to swap out all of these guys here. Make sure to take a photo and label any wires that you need to label to make sure you put everything back into exactly where it. So once again, Phillips screwdriver. Okay, now we've got all of our wiring out. Hopefully, the wire management. What we're going to do is just take this to the side and move it out of our way. Now you've got 4 clips on each side of this, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you just have to press each of these 4 clips in while giving some downward pressure. And that will pop out your control panel or your old panel. Take your new panel, swap it in, make sure it's all snapped in, all nice and snug. Give it a little press, gentle press. And then what we're going to do is match up all the wires again. If they don't look like they're going in too easily, just unscrew it a little bit, and then they'll start to slide in. Remember, if you don't remember where the wires go, look at your photo. Give your wires a little bit of pull. There you go. Now you're all wired in. So, got the new panel in there. It's back on top. Grab your handle. Screw that back on. Grab your screws. Pop the screws back here on the back.